Welcome again to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Connor. Today we are in a VW California Ocean, factory spec from VW. Gorgeous example where unfortunately the factory VW head unit went faulty. Usual problem, touchscreen went AWire. We can repair them, but the customer wanted an upgrade, didn't want to go for basically the same unit again. You know, it is 7 years old almost now. So he's brought it back in and we've now installed the absolute Goliath Kenwood DNR992 RVS. If you haven't already seen this model, it's one of the best aftermarket stereos available right now. This one has got built-in Garmin-based navigation. So I push the navigation button here. We actually got Garmin navigation, meaning the customer does not need to rely on his iPhone data or just general reliability of the phone or the phone signal. All sat-nav is built in on here, and because it's a motorhome based unit, this navigation has actually got like campsites and camper contacts and caravan sites, all that built into it. Not needed on this unit, which is the lorry use unit. Reason why it's got that feature is if you had a large vehicle, what you could actually do, go into settings, go into motorhome caravan profile, and you can literally add a profile where you can put your tons, weight in, like width, length and height, meaning you don't get taken down roads you shouldn't be driving down, which is quite useful. We've got a couple of other motorhomes on our website, like a Benimol A-class motorhomes, where that's actually quite a useful feature to have. But yeah, this unit's got adjustable screens, so you can see it's angled slightly towards you. The bit of a problem with transport is when the screen's actually in its original position, sometimes you get a bit of glare from the windscreen, the sun coming in. So which is quite nice about this is you can actually tilt it. Obviously I wouldn't suggest having it like that, that'd be silly, but you can tilt it all the way back like that to where the problem would normally be. Actually, you can see the glare right there is happening already. So as soon as I bring the screen forward, the glare goes. Perfect little position for this unit. They do this unit without nav as well if you don't want to go to the expenditure of the built-in navigation model. If you just want the large screen with Apple CarPlay, so it's worth mentioning that. But let's go through some of the features. I'm going to turn the ignition on because this car's actually got factory parking sensors and a factory reverse camera, and that is all properly integrated into this. So if I put it in reverse now, the customer is going to get the factory reverse camera, and you can see how good the original reverse camera is. You can see the registration of our own courtesy car behind us. Gives you a good view of the factory camera on this. You can see the bumper and the number plate, and also quite high up behind. And what you're also going to get is the parking sensor overlay, which are currently beeping because I'm right behind the car. So right behind the car there and right in front of a car there. That's a really nice feature. So if I take it out of reverse now, it's going to go back to the screen. If you're pulling forwards into a space, you can actually just touch the P button. And for example, your front sensors are going to come on. So it's really handy if you're pulling forwards into a space as well. Proper integrated the way we've done it this one. It's a real nice job. All your steering wheel controls work, including answer, telephone, skip tracks, volume up and down. So like I said, fully integrated. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, so if you want to connect your phone up to it, you can literally connect your phone up and have wireless Apple CarPlay. We've got DAB radio. We're using the original aerial, which is built into the wing mirrors on this car, so DAB's all still working. And what the customer also opted for is a HDMI input. So you can see down here is a HDMI picture. There's no signal at the moment because there's nothing plugged in. But if I go to the customer's glove box over here, just in amongst all his personal possessions, we have a little HDMI port here. That means the customer can now add a Amazon Fire Stick onto this unit and, for example, be able to watch YouTube, Netflix, Amazon videos and the like. Obviously not when you're driving because that would be illegal, but when you're stopped, which is quite nice. If the customer's parked up for a while, they can, you know, just get on with watching something while they're killing some time. But yeah, this is a 2018 VW California Ocean model. This is the Kenwood DNR992. This customer now has 3-year warranty and peace of mind and has the best unit available right now. And my name is Connor. So from all the team at John Cleese Car Audio, we wish you well. See you on the next video. Keep on supporting our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you later.